Hi, this is Martin at Makita. I've got here the Makita M4301 Jigsaw. As you can see, it comes from the Makita MT range. It features a 450 watt motor and it's variable speed between 0 and 3,100 strokes per minute, but only variable speed on the trigger. The trigger itself can also be locked on with the side button, so if you hold the trigger in, press the button, release the trigger, you can see that locks the trigger on. To release it, you just squeeze the trigger again and you can see it releases. At the back of the machine is the hidden Allen key, which can be removed. You also see dust extraction is connected to the back of the machine here, so it extracts through the body of the machine from the front. It also features the orbital or pendulum action, whatever you prefer to call it. So 4 settings on the side. In 0, it's just straight up and down, so no pendulum. And then you have 3 settings, so the minimum, medium, and maximum for the pendulum. The pendulum action, when that is turned on, it will cut faster but leave a rough finish on the material. So if you wanted a nice finish, a smooth finish on the material, we'd leave the pendulum turned off, but it will be a slower cut. At the front of the machine, you've got a finger guard here, so if people are using the machine holding onto it, stop you dropping your finger onto the blade. Base plate can be adjusted as well, so using the Allen key, if we undo the cap head on the underside, that will release the base. That will allow you to slide the machine forward and backwards on the base. So if you were cutting up to an edge, it will allow you to get within 10 mil of the edge. And once the base is in the correct position, you can also then bevel the machine over to the right and to the left to a maximum of 45 degrees. To lock it back into 0 at 90 degrees, push the base forward and then tighten the Allen key, and then that will self-level the base when you tighten it up. To insert the blade into the machine, there's a grub screw on the side of the tool holder. So you need to undo the grub screw, insert the blade, and then tighten the grub screw back up again. Before you start cutting, you must make sure the blade is sat on the roller bearings, and they will help to guide the blade in a straight line. So that's the M4301 MT series Jigsaw, and that's available in Toolstop.